So hello everyone, I welcome you all in the walkthrough of our project Decentralized Prescription Manager. It's a simple project. We just deep dive into the world of blockchain and we learned a lot of things using this. And yeah, so let's start. So basically, we have only one contract in our Decentralized Prescription Manager. So what it does is whenever a patient wants to go to a doctor, the doctor can store the prescription of a particular patient on the blockchain. So basically what happens is, using the wallet address of the patient, there is a list of prescriptions that are stored on the blockchain corresponding to one particular wallet address. So basically this is a mapping from address to the array of prescription structure of the patient. Right. So there is a function add prescription. It basically helps in adding the prescription corresponding to a wallet address, and this is to get a particular prescription, and we can also get the prescription count. So if I show you the deployments folder, basically this is to deploy the particular prescription contract, and this is to verify the our contract on the chain so that we can interact with our contract in the actual testnet if it's working fine or not. So in the test, if I show, so basically here I am testing with dummy addresses of patients and doctor to check the prescription. If I am adding the prescription here and I am also getting the prescription count, I am also getting a particular prescription. So using this I am just checking if all of my values and answers are same or not. So this is that test to check the actual get prescription function, and this is to check the prescription count function. So yeah, so if I run yarn hard hat test, you can see that all the test passes, and there is also called a gas report.txt, which using which you can actually see how much gas it takes for a particular function, for a particular method, like in this add prescription. So basically these are just config files, and this is a verify function to actually verify the contract on the blockchain, and if it's already verified, it shows it's already verified. So, and yeah, so basically it was that. So if I run yarn hard hat deploy minus network Sepolia, so I am deploying my contract to the Sepolia test network. Basically I am doing it so that I can view it on my that Etherscan block explorer to actually interact with the contract on a testnet, so that we can test the functionality of the functions that are present in our contract. So basically this is our contract address. If I open, just a second, etherscan.sepolia. So if I put my address here and search for it, you can actually see my contracts. It is stored on the blockchain now. These are the it's loading. These are the read functions that are present. It is a get prescription and get prescription count. These are the add prescription. So basically what I can do is I can add the patient address, doctor address. Let me add. So this is basically MetaMask. So this is first I will connect to Web3 obviously. So yeah, it is connected. So I will put a doctor address. I will put another address for patient. I'm sorry, the previous one was patient, and now I'm putting doctor's address. Suppose I have fever and medicine I'm using is Sumo. Dose is 3 times a day after user, and duration is for 5 days. If I write this on blockchain, it will show me as a transaction. It shows how much gas it will take and what is the maximum gas it will take. So it is still processing. So here I can view my transactions. So you can see it also shows that my transaction is confirmed, and here I can see my transaction hash, my status, it is a success, and yeah, from, to, and all of these. Now what I want is I want to get a particular prescription using the patient address. If I put the patient address and index as 0 because it was our first prescription, sorry. So if I do the query, I will get all the prescription, and if I want prescription count, it shows 2 because initially I added the prescription also. So if I put 1, then I will get the new one. So yeah, 3 times a day. Alright, so yeah, that was basically it for our basic smart contract. So we learned a lot of things using this, and basically using this there is a security between the patient and the doctor and its data. Its data is safe, and also there is a transparency. So yeah, it will help a lot. So thank you.